Hey everyone, do you want to have access to hundreds of Blender products every single month? Then check out our brand new Patreon, which is probably the best in the industry, especially for beginners to Blender. First of all, we now have 4 Patreon levels, pretty much for any budget. Or if you just want to follow us over there for the latest news on 3D Tudor, then that's also fine. So let's now take a look at these ranks and stay till the end to find out what we really have to offer. So rank 1 is all about just supporting us at €5 per month, and this is just to say a big thanks for everything that we do here. Rank 2 at €10 per month comes with a free course every single month, and if you've seen the scenes that we've been creating here on YouTube, where you can get your hands on any of these for absolutely free, and you will get your name featured at the end credits of all of our YouTube videos. Moving on and stepping it up to rank 3 at €19.50 per month, you get pretty much the same as you did in rank 2, but this time we also give you 2 geometry nodes per month absolutely free. And moving on to the big one, which is rank 4, the top tier that we have at €48.50 per month, and you pretty much get the whole shebang. 2 free courses per month, any of our geometry nodes, any of our model packs, any of our YouTube themes, but best of all, you also get the complete asset manager file, complete with our entire library of compositors, materials, and assets, and this will just keep growing. So whatever your budget, there's never been a better time to support us here at 3D Tudor, and I think we provide one of the best Patreons in the industry. So head on over, check out our Patreon, follow us over there for the latest news, and if you can, we'd be very grateful for any support, large or small.